This video and most of the card videos after this will be pretty quick, so pay attention. Welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, silliness, and stuff I like. Today, we are continuing our exploration into divination with playing cards, also known as Cartomancy. We're going to be talking about the Four of Hearts. Fours generally are cards of foundation and strength. Hearts are love, family, happy relationships. So the Four of Hearts is called the protector. When this card shows up in a reading, there's usually a strong sense of security in a relationship, like a family relationship with a strong foundation. In a romantic reading, this can signify a loving, strong commitment with the possibility of marriage. I've never seen the Four of Hearts have a negative connotation. There's always going to be positivity and love when you see this card. It's very uplifting, very safe card. So when you see that in a reading, that's what it's going to represent. That's all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed the information about the Four of Hearts. Tell me what you think down below. I love reading your comments. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next installment of In the Cards.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. I appreciate you so much. Listen, if you liked what you saw today, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so that you can be made aware of every video that comes out.
Here we talk about spirituality, self. Take two. I gotta start over. Take three. I really do need to learn to speak a little slower because I'm killing myself in editing for this. Let's do one more run through. Take four.